Waiting for the orders. Start his orders and they are off for the Animal Welfare Board of India trophy. Quite an even dispatch from the get by all the 20 runners, and as the field settles down, its country's Empress towards the inside is the leader from Art of War is up on the outside in second spot. Roy is in third. Wide of the track is Padma Kosa making a forward move. After that is Glorious Thunder is in the center. Arwan, Milwaukee hugging the Wales. After that is on the outside is Angel's Harmony from Drone 20. Wide of the track is, oh, there's a fall. One of the horse there is riderless. I'm not too sure which is that one. But Art of War is the leader from Royce in second. Arc of Passion in third. Close to the inside is Padma Alfonso making a forward move. Then there's Padma Kosa as the hedge turns for home. Art of War comes in home first from Arc of Passion is the one galloping up on the outside. Alfonso in third. Country's Empress is towards the inside. Angel's Harmony is now making a forward move. But after that is Jack Dan. But Art of War has kicked away with 4 long to go. 2 lengths ahead of Alfonso is galloping in second spot. In third is Angel's Harmony. After that is Arc of Passion and Jack Dan. But Art of War 3/4 of a length ahead of Alfonso is Art of War from Alfonso. Art of War, Alfonso, Art of War, Alfonso, Art of War winning it from Alfonso. Then there's Jack Dan, Angel's Harmony, Asai, Tall Story. After that is Goldsmith, Arc of Passion. That is a net.